mentioned in his sporting activities.
For the Ogbonge Son Award matter, Philip Shaibu don dedicate the Son Award to him oga Kpatakpata, Godwin Obaseki.
He brings out his arsenal to ensure that the state.
Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu don dedicate the Son Award for Sports Personality of the Year wey shele for inside Lagos to Baba God and the Governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki. The Deputy Governor wey im boss Oga Obaseki and im wife with other ogbonge Edo people join body with the Deputy Governor to receive the award. Presenting the award to Philip Shaibu, Chris Igige wey be the Minister of Labour and Productivity tok say the sport festival wey shele for Edo few months ago don increase the participation of some people for sport and na the handiwork of Philip Shaibu.
What you did for the Sporting Federation of Nigeria, how you helped the governor to host a very fantastic national sport festival in Nigeria.
The minister can salute Godwin Obaseki when he fit give the opportunity to him deputy governor to take achieve sport matter for Edo and Kpatakpata. Him can also salute Mr. Governor when he fit take the work with the deputy governor like brothers. Shaibu can thank the governor for making him reach this level, that if the governor not give him the ogbonge opportunity, he for not fit reach here. Im con tok am say Edo never reach the destination where Mr. Governor dey carry am go. Say Oga Governor no go rest until he carry am reach there.
So this award is for God, but don't forget that God will only use people to actualize the purpose. And God has used Godwin Obaseki, my senior brother and God, to give me the wings to fly. If he has not asked me to oversee sports, we will not have this award today. So, for me, this award belongs to God, belongs to Edo State. But without mincing words, I want to give this award to my boss. This award is to my boss.
Una go remember say Shaibu reach this stage of the Sun Sportsman of the Year award. Na the ogbonge role wey im play to make sure say the Edo 2020 festival work and end wella. Shaibu remain the only football playing deputy governor for the country, as im still dey lace im boot for football matter to play for Bende Insurance and also contribute to Edo football team for Edo 2020 festival to win gold. This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC News carry come give una. From Benin, Osarugwe, Monday.